With the emergency release, you can override the automatic locking of the longitudinal transport and manually move the seat backward. You'll find the emergency release at the back of the console. Look for a small red lever with a black locking button. To unlock it, press the red lever down until the black locking button clicks into place. Now you can manually move the seat back and forth. To lock it again, simply pull the black locking button backward. The red lever will snap back up, securing the longitudinal movement. To unlock the swivel function, push the small locking plate upward, move the red ball-shaped handle to the right and upward. At the same time, press and hold the silver safety latch toward the red ball-shaped handle. Now the console can be swiveled manually. To lock it again, press the red ball-shaped handle to the right and downward, then push the small locking plate back down. After using the emergency release, please contact your PARAVAN workshop to have the system checked.